Hi everyone, Marina here, and today I am doing an unboxing of the Jeffree Star Halloween 2020 Premium Mystery Box. I have not opened this box yet, so keep watching and we'll find out together if this is a trick or a treat. At the time of this filming, this box is currently sold out on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website. I did purchase it for $60 and I'm really anxious to see what's inside. So let's take a look. Here we go. Tissue paper. First item, we have the gloss. And this is in the color Shockwave. Also have a lip liner in the color Posh Spice. Have a velour liquid lipstick in the color Diamond. We have a black beanie. It's the Androgyny palette. Here is a close-up of all 5 items that I received in my Halloween 2020 Premium box. The Androgyny palette, which I think is absolutely stunning. The colors are nice and rich for this time of year. There is a nice mixture of shimmers and mattes, and I know the person that I'm giving this to is just gonna love it and get a lot of use out of it. The gloss in Shockwave, beautiful pink color. Can be worn as a topper or as just a gloss by itself. It would still be beautiful. The velour lip liner in Posh Spice. Who doesn't love a nude lip liner? I know I never have enough of them in my makeup bag. And the velour liquid lipstick in Diamond. I don't think I'll have trouble gifting it to someone much younger than myself. The black beanie with the orange Jeffree Star logo. Not really a beanie person, but I guess if it's early morning and I'm having a bad hair day, I can just pop that on. So here are all 5. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you like this video, please click on the like and subscribe button as it really helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching.